this video I'm going to show you how to set up and use the Greenhouse Blowdown Parallel Evaporator. The Greenhouse Blowdown unit allows you to evaporate up to 24 samples in parallel. The system uses a controlled flow of inert gas and a digital heat control. The precise digital heat control and the absence of vacuum protects your sample and avoids bumping. The Greenhouse Blowdown unit can be converted from your greenhouse synthesizer or used as a standalone unit. But in this video today, I'm just going to focus on the Greenhouse Blowdown unit. As a standalone unit, the Greenhouse Blowdown Evaporator is used only for evaporation and not for synthesis. This lower profile base is used instead of the deeper greenhouse base. The Greenhouse Blowdown will fit onto a hot plate with a top plate diameter of 135mm. You may also insert a PT1000 temperature probe through the central superseal. The low profile blowdown base allows the use of vial racks or standard microtiter plates. This means you can use scintillation tubes or HPLC vials. Choose from 5 standard vial racks in 24 or 8 position formats. We have 3 different pin plates for the blowdown head. A 4x2 pin plate for an 8 position vial rack, a 6x4 pin plate for 24 position vial racks, and also a 6x4 long pin plate for shorter vials and tubes. To change the pin plate, first select the appropriate pin plate based on the number of positions of your vial rack and on the height of your vials. To secure the pin plate in place, use these orange handles and then place the blowdown head onto your unit. Once you've selected your correct pin plate, place your vial rack and place it into the base unit. Once your vials or racks are in the base, place the glass cylinder onto the base and then place the blowdown head into position on top. To make things easy, it's best to use the locating pins when putting the head into position, using the 2 sealing knobs to seal the head and ensure a gas-tight chamber. The sealing knobs only need to be hand-tight. Connect the flow meter to a regulated inert gas supply, not exceeding 0.5 bar. Then connect the gas outlet tube of the flow meter to the inlet of the greenhouse blowdown head. Connect the gas outlet from the greenhouse blowdown head to the inlet at the top of the condenser. Ensure that your condenser is properly secured and clamped in place. Screw the solvent flask to the bottom of the condenser and then fill the reservoir of your condenser with dry ice and acetone. The blowdown head safety pressure relief valve and the gas inlet safety pressure relief valve are designed to vent at nominally 4 to 6 psi. Therefore, under normal and correct conditions, neither valve should be venting. This was a short video to show you how to set up and use your Greenhouse Blowdown Evaporator. Watch our other videos to see how you can set up and use the Greenhouse Parallel Synthesizer, or if you need to work up and purify your samples, the Greenhouse Workup Station. Thank you for watching this video, and if you require more information, please go to our website and download the instruction manual, or contact one of our technical sales specialists.